fellow advocates for justice, and change makers around the world. Today, on 20th February, we observe the World Day of Social Justice. It is a reminder that justice is not automatic, it is built, defended, and renewed every single day. In 2026, United Nations calls us under the powerful theme Renewed Commitment to Social Development and Social Justice. This theme arrives at a defining moment. Just recently, the world came together at Second World Summit for Social Development in Doha. Leaders adopted Doha Political Declaration, recommitting to spirit of 1995 Copenhagen Declaration. They reaffirmed three unbreakable pillars: eradicating poverty in all its forms, full and productive employment and decent work for all, social inclusion that leaves no one behind. These are not distant ideals, they are promises we made to one another and to the generations yet to come. Yet the world we see tells a different story in too many places. Millions still wake up to hunger, not hope. Women and girls face barriers that limit their dreams. Workers toil without fair wages, safety, or security. Marginalized communities based on caste, ethnicity, disability, migration status, or belief remain excluded from opportunities that should belong to everyone. Digital divides, climate crisis, and economic shocks widen gaps instead of closing them. Newly introduced and integrated artificial intelligence systems in technology should become inclusive for everyone. Social justice demands we confront these realities head on. It asks us, are we truly translating political declarations into lived change? Renewed commitment means action, not words alone. It means policies that integrate social protection into every sector, from economy and labor to climate action and digital transformation. It means investing in universal social protection floors so no family falls through the cracks during illnesses, unemployment, or during old age. It means ensuring decent work is not a privilege but a right for informal workers, gig economy participants, domestic helpers, farmers, and youth entering the job market. It means amplifying the voices of the excluded in decision making rooms, because true inclusion is not charity, it is democracy in practice. As individuals and as global community, each of us holds a piece of this renewal. A teacher who ensures every child, regardless of background, learns with dignity. A lawyer who fights pro bono for the voiceless. A policymaker who chooses equity over expediency. A young person who calls out injustice online and organizes change offline. Every business that pays fair wages and respects rights. Every citizen who refuses to stay silent when discrimination appears. Today, let us make this pledge together. We commit to bridging gaps, not building walls. We commit to empowering inclusion so every person can stand tall in their worth. We commit to turning renewed promises into measurable progress, because justice delayed is justice denied, and justice partial is no justice at all. Let us carry forward the spirit of this day. Let social justice not be a slogan, but our daily compass. Let fairness, solidarity, and dignity guide our choices, and let us work hand in hand until the world reflects the justice we all deserve. Because when one person rises in justice, we all rise. Happy World Day of Social Justice. Let's remember renewed commitment, renewed action, and renewed hope.